In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with purchase of any kind of services which is directly applied on the finished goods that we are planning to sell. So this means any additional cost that is incurred, like packing charges, should either be the part of inventory or it should be charged as a cost of goods sold. So here we have a similar transaction of 31st of January which says packing charges paid by giving cash, and the total amount is 60,000. Now we have two choices here. Since let's say this is not a regular vendor and we just purchase a one-off service, what we can do is just open the journal entry, simply mention packing charges in the narration, and in the ledgers we just select the cost of goods sold. Under credit we just select cash, and that should be it. But otherwise what we can do is we can also create a bill against a temporary vendor. We just want to adjust this for the timing in the cash vendor, and immediately we pay for it. Either method is correct. Let's see how we can do it from the bill and from the journal entry as well. So if you want to enter the journal entry, we just head over to the accounting and click on accounting and journal entries, click on new. From here we just select the reference, just copy it here, paste it. Date of transaction is 31st of January. It goes under miscellaneous operations. Cost of goods sold, I'll just post it in cost of goods sold. Label, copy it from here and paste it here. In the debit, the amount is 60,000. In the credit, the ledger is cash. Narration should be same. And this is all good. Click on post and you are good to go. But I just save it as draft. Let me show you the other method. Click on vendors and click on bills and click on new bill. If you want to create a bill, we already have a cash vendor, but otherwise you could just write here cash vendor and just save it as it is. Bill date is 31st of January and accounting date is same. All set. Payment terms should be immediate payment. It's set to purchases. Under the product, I don't need to select the product here, and that's the flexibility that Odoo provides, that if you want to post something that is not a product or you don't want to create a service item, what you can do is just copy and paste right here service, and you should directly post it to cost of goods sold. Price is 60,000. Quantity is 1, but you can disable the quantity field as well. And this is how the total is created. Click on confirm, and immediately after that click on pay, and we are paying this against cash. 60,000 is amount. The date of transaction is 31st of January. Memo is this. I'll just copy this, paste it in the memo, click on create payment, and just confirm once that if the payment is made. Click on vendors and click on payments here. It's still shown as in process. Just open this up again and click on validate. Now we click on the reporting and click on partner ledger. If we check the cash vendor, this should reflect the payment as well. But if you notice here, we cannot see any kind of payment here. So this is because we haven't configured this properly. We need to go in journals under the configuration and click on cash. Here under the main journal entries, we have configured that, but this is for journal entries. If we are receiving the payment or if we are using this journal to make the payment, we need to configure these accounts as well. So I'll just select the cash here and click save. And let's say that we enter the payment. We reset this through draft. We select the cash journal and then confirm this again. Now if we click on reporting, click on partner ledger, this should be updated, but it's not. So instead what we can do here, validate this, I guess. So after resetting, we also need to validate this. Go to the partner ledger again, and it's still not showing. So what we can do is just delete this, and under the vendor and bills, just find the relevant bill. Here it is. Click on pay, select cash, 60,000. The date of transaction is 31st of January. I'll just copy and paste this narration here. Click on create payment. And now let's click on reporting and check the partner ledger. And we can notice that only 5,000 is shown here. That means 60,000 bill was totally cleared against the payment. So this is the right treatment. If you have already entered a ledger and now it's not showing in the report, what you need to do is just cancel that payment, then make the configuration and then try to enter the payment all together again. It will not solve the problem by resetting it. You have to do it all over again, and then it should be fine. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.